Hi, I'm Brent and I'm with thewebdeveloper.dev. Hey, thanks for visiting my website and checking out my projects. In this video, what I want to do is cover where we do programming just for regular websites, not necessarily a store, but a website. For instance, the website you're on right now, thewebdeveloper.dev, I hand coded everything in that myself. And that was important to me because I wanted to showcase what we can actually do. So all the movement and all of that is programming that we did. Not only that, though, we can also, for instance, program in WordPress, which is what you're seeing here. This is the Buxton Team's website. This is actually my wife and I are both real estate agents. She's the realtor, and I help her out a lot. And of course, I do a lot of her technology as well. And so I wanted to show you some features that a real estate website can have. Now, of course, what you're looking for whenever you have a business is you want something that helps people stay on your site. They call it sticky. So you want a sticky site where they're stuck to it. And so for real estate, people are going to want to look for homes. We're also maybe going to want to calculate what our mortgage will be if we're going to buy a home. Or if we have one to sell, we want to learn its value. And so we want all those tools easily accessible. So right here on the front page, you can see where there's a form so people can fill out what home they want to search for. So they click on that and they find all the homes that are available for that particular criteria. Not only that, but we've also added, for instance, a buyer's guide. What does it take to buy a home in Oklahoma? That's where we're located. And this goes through all what it takes to buy a home. Not only that, but like I mentioned before, if you're a buyer, you probably want to know how much home you can afford. And this calculator will help you get that information. We also, for instance, for sellers, we have the opportunity for them to register and get the value of their home. We also have a blog. I mentioned this in one other video. Blogs are extremely important because they give you the opportunity to show how much of an expert you are in your industry. Whether it's a website or a Shopify store, what you want to do is you want to showcase the services or the features that you offer, how you offer them, what makes them different, why people need them, and then also what makes you that expert in your industry. It's so important, and your website's going to help you showcase that. Now, if all of that sounds fantastic to you, scroll down to the bottom of this website, thewebdeveloper.dev, and fill out that form. Or also, I got my phone number and my email address listed right there, so feel free to reach out to me directly. Let's set up a 10-minute call where we'll talk about what your needs are and how I can help you. Also learn if we can work together, because you're going to be working with me hopefully for a good long while, and I want to make sure that we get along well and we're able to make that work well. I look for the opportunity to get interviewed with both of us together and also to do your work in the future. Thanks for checking out thewebdeveloper.dev.